welcome back to my channel and welcome to another hair video. A few things that I did want to say about the hair that I'm not sure if I mentioned in the video. It is very soft and I do love the quality, and I do love how it reacts to heat, which is no reaction, and that's amazing. The wig was big for me. I believe that I might have just gotten the wrong size, so it was kind of hard. Like, as you will see in the video, it was kind of hard for me to put the wig on because it was so big. But besides that, the hair is truly amazing and it is so soft and I love it. Oh my god. I didn't pluck it, I didn't do anything to this hair. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So like I said, you guys, this hair is from Wigencounters, and this is just the box that it comes in. It comes with hair as well as a card, and it comes with details on the hair. So it tells you the color, the length, the density, and everything. It comes with the wig cap and of course the wig itself. It is a 13 by 4 and this is 14 inches. So I do not bleach the knots, so I'm just going to take my beauty blender or whatever makeup you have and just put it on the inside of the wig. Basically here I noticed that the wig was very big for my head. Like, I tried to fix it up or whatever, but it was still pretty big, so I'm still going to try to make it work. Here I'm just sizing it to my head and trying to see where I would glue it down, and so I'm going to pull the hair back and get ready to glue it down. So before I glue my wigs down, I do like to cut off the majority of the lace just so that I can get an idea. And then I like to pull my baby hairs forward. What I did like about this wig is it already came with baby hair, so that is a plus. So I'm just trying to get all the rest of the hair out the way and keep the baby hairs forward, and then I'm going to try and glue it down with my Got2b spray. The reason I like pulling my hairs forward first is because, I don't know, I feel like it kind of acts as an anchor, as opposed to if all the hair was pushed back, then the wig would slide up more easily. So I just feel like this is easier for me, except you will see I was kind of having some trouble because the wig, like I said, it was too big, so it wasn't really laying down like how I wanted to. So I decided to just cut off all of the lace and try a different. Okay, so I don't know if this cap is just big, or when I put it on, I don't know, I think it's too long because the back of the hair is like clipped at the back and the front is all the way up here. So I would have to move it back, and then there's just a bunch of space. Like, I don't know how to really lay this wig down. The front is so far up as opposed to the rest of the hair. It like does like that on my forehead. I can't glue the sides down unless the front is all the way up on my forehead, because I could lay the sides down, but the front is so far up on my, okay, so I'm just gonna cut the front. So right now I'm just using my hair scissors to cut off any excess lace that I feel goes too far over my forehead, and I feel like that's fine for me. So next I'm going to take my mousse. You can use any mousse, and right now I'm just taming down any stray hairs or flyaways, and I'm going to proceed to lay down my wig as normal. So again, I'm going to pull out my baby hairs, apply my Got2b, and tie it down. Got to be spray, and I just sprayed it on the hair, and I went over that with the flat iron. This molds the hair, it just molds the hair better, and it gives it a better hold. So if you guys don't know how to cut a bang, you portion out the hair that you want, and you just flatten it and twist it, and then make sure it's flat, and then you're just gonna cut it. So now, just to enhance the parting space, I'm going in with my LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And I'm going back into it with a brush just to blend it out. Also, one thing that I did want to tell everybody, I'm not sure exactly when this video will be up, but I need you guys to go show love to my other videos, and I need you guys to have on your post notifications because I am doing a giveaway. So in order to participate in the giveaway, you have to have your post notifications on, you have to be subscribed to me, of course, and you have to be following me on Instagram. Go follow my Instagram. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.